Everyone, Brendan here. This is Ruby, aka Bubbles. We just hit the subscribe button. We've got a few videos on here. If you want, what we're doing today is we're doing a 3-marker challenge.
We've got these pictures.
We've got these pictures here.
This is a little sign. Make sure you do this.
Yes, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you smash that notification bell and hit that like. Right, we're going to choose 3 colours. Here we go. Close your eyes. She's a cheater.
Yeah. Are these 3?
That's it, 3. You've got 3. 1, 2, 3. There.
These are my colours.
There we go. And these are mine. Hey, we've got the same.
We've got 2 the same except this one.
We have. Well, it's a true test. Who's the better colourer?
So
right.
we are going to be making merch soon, and it's going to have like this kind of logo on.
How we're doing this is, I'm just using the phone here. We are doing 2 minutes per colour. So let's put the timer on. Here we go. I've already got it set to 2 minutes. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm starting this colour.
And I'm going to start with this one.
Ooh, same.
Let's go.
First I'm going to do is the middle bit of the hook.
It's very tense.
Yes, I did another one like this but off camera. So yeah. That was.
Do you not think it's funny how Captain Goldhead has got high heels on with pom-poms on the bottom? Yeah, really funny. It was designed by us all. Ruby, me, Jake, and Luke, and Noah. We designed this. We did it super quick. That's all his logos and there's Eddings on your channel. So we've kept it quite simple.
Simple.
I came to be the biggest kid, so my ideas are normally the most wackiest.
Yeah, sure.
40 seconds left, Ruby.
40?
40.
That went quick.
It did go quick. 30 seconds.
Okay, right, I'm kind of rushing right now.
Me too. 20 seconds. Just that bit. I like his wife fronts me, Ruby. The proper old school pants, these. There 5, 4, 3, 2. That's everybody. Pens down, Ruby. Pens down. That pen in the box. There we go, that's in. Let's reset the timer and we go again. Right, Ruby, are you ready?
Yes.
What colour are you going next?
I'm going with this one.
And I'm going to go with the same one. 3, 2, 1, go!
I started with that subscribe button.
Well, you've got 1 extra piece on me. So I didn't write that on mine. I decided to tell everybody, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. I'll tell you something, Ruby. Princess Bubbles, I do like this drawing. So these long legs.
Yeah,
We've got more to come from Captain Goldhead and the notorious Goldhead virus. We're going to do Goldhead virus. We're still in season 1. It's episode 3. It is coming soon. So keep a watch out for it. Like I said, if you hit that notification bell and subscribe, you will get it as fit quick as anyone. We're really taking as time. We're getting so much better at making these little movies.
By
step by step, we are creating better movies, more enjoyable. They're all family friendly.
So make sure you share these with any of your friends.
I particularly like the Treasure Hunts Me. We've done 2. We've got one massive treasure hunt coming on Saturday. Jake and Luke are on it. They are from Sheffield. We did Hillsborough, Worrell, Warncliffe Side, Middlewood.
Yeah, so make sure you go check that one out.
River Don. It was shattering, but the boys did good. And they got some fantastic prizes as well. Pens down.
Pens down. Throw this one
That's
in the
it.
box.
Back in the box.
So now we're going to start with the... Well,
I've got my last one.
Let's show
This
them
is it so far.
I've done like a kind of... Well, like it'll kind of be nice with like the hearts and stuff.
I've done like something good. Right, let's go. Last one. See if you can pull back this masterpiece.
I'm going to do this colour.
And I'm doing this colour. 3, 2, 1, go.
I actually kind of like these colours together. They look nice. Kind of. And if you have any ideas to do next, like maybe, I don't know, for videos, go ahead and put them in the comments, because we would love to hear lots. I'm nearly finished on that shepherd's bit. I kind of got that, the salmon skin colour, and you also did. So, yeah.
It is salmon skin. It is salmon colour, that Ruby. That's good. That's good. It is a salmon colour. I do like them wipers though. They are like my kind of pants. I bet the Marks and Spencer as well.
And also, if you wanted to come up with a costume, that's fine. Basically kind of like merch. Because it is merch kind of. Anyways, and so yeah. Mine's getting kind of old, and so mine's going to have grey hair.
Yours got grey hair?
Yeah, it's getting kind of old. Mine's going to have some grey teeth left. It is kind of pirate with its hook. When you guys were younger, or if you're still...
Last 30 seconds.
If you're still off, if you guys are still young, or you were younger, did you used to watch Captain Hook or like Peter Pan or something? Comment down below. I am finished. Do the countdown. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down.
There we go.
So let's
That's
show
the last one.
Let's show the project.
Here we go, everyone.
This one's mine.
And this one's mine. Please comment down below
Which is the best?
Which is the best. Obviously, you know which one's the best one.
No, it's this one. Vanessa, let's do the next round.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next. We're going to set something up for the next round. Give us a couple of minutes and there'll be another video. Bye from me.
And bye from...